Good morning, students. In the last video, we have discussed about what is climate, what is weather, and factors affecting weather. Now, in this video, we will try to cover the different seasons. Now, the climate of India that can be divided into three main seasons. Mainly, there are three seasons in India: summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Let us first discuss about summer season. In India, the summer season starts from April and continues till June. From April to June. During summer season, the sun's rays are nearly vertical. They are nearly vertical. And the movement of the sun towards the Tropic of Cancer in March. There is a movement of the sun towards the Tropic of Cancer in March. And when it enters in the Tropic of Cancer in March, the temperature they start rising in North India. As they move towards the north, so the temperature start rising in North India. So April, May and June, they are the months of summer in North India. Hot, dry winds blow in the desert and in the northern plains. In the northern plains, during the daytime, hot winds are called Lu. Local hot winds. Lu is a local hot winds. And basically this Lu that blow and make the people very uncomfortable. Lu cause dust storms, which are experienced at least once in the daytime. So dust storms are very common during the summers, and the areas like Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha, they experiences these extreme weather conditions. Now, in this summer season, basically days are long and nights are short. In the desert areas, the temperature is extremely high. It is not high, it is extremely high during the summers. And basically, it is very almost unbearable under the sun. So this was about the northern part of India. Now we will come to the southern part of India. Now in the southern part of India, it is very warm during summer, but not as hot as North India. Why? Because it is covered on three sides by the sea. If you will see the map of India, the southern part, you will find there are the sea, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. So these seas help to maintain the climate in southern part. The sea breezes from the sea keep the coastal and nearby areas cool. It is the hottest in the month of April in southern India. So the April month in southern India is said to be as the hottest month. However, in the southern part of India, humidity is very high because of the moisture in the atmosphere. The wind which are coming from the sea, they carries moisture with them, and this region having the high humidity. Next is rainy season. Rainy season comes after the summer. In India, it begins in June and it lasts till August.